Hi guys, I finally got my box. So these are the TikTok scoops, and they're from a company called Highland Crystals on TikTok. And I might put in some footage at the end of the video that shows how it works. But basically you get as many scoops as you want. Each scoop is $55.99 US. And I got 3 scoops plus 22 US shipping, and I tipped them 8 US as well. Anyway, hopefully that tip got me some good deals, but yeah, it's really addictive, and their wholesale was in China, so hopefully I got some good deals. I remember I got a Labradorite for sure. And let's get into it. So these are 3 scoop orders, so all up I paid about, I think, 330 Australian all up. So let's see if this was all worth it. Yeah, about 330 Australian all up. So let's see, all this is worth it. Everyone scoops I'm seeing worth it. Alright. Very excited. I'm sorry, I don't edit, so fast forward if this is annoying. You can be my edit. Alright, what's up first of all? Looks like we got a tower. Oh, what kind of tower is this? Looks, let me zoom in a bit. Oh, looks like, don't know, some type of sphelerite, and they come with the little thingies to stop the points from getting damaged. Here we go. Nice point is still there. That's interesting. If anyone knows what that is, let me know. There we go. We got that. So what else we got? Oh. Oh. I'll just put that there for now. This only took 9 days to come. They said they knew up to 3-4 weeks, but I got mine in 9 days. Okay, we got a cute little ball here. Don't know what that is. It's a white ball. Bit damaged. Some. Anyway. Bit iffy. Ah, is this? Don't tell me this is the Labradorite. Oh, it is. Okay. It's not as big as what I thought it would be, so this is what I picked. There's a nice little flash to it, but there's also not too keen about all those white things through it. Let's see. That's the only flash I can really see. Another little flash there. Little disappointing. Alright, what else did we get? Just put them off to the side a bit. Oh, I think this might be a blue apatite. Could be wrong. What do you think? Is that a blue apatite? Oh wow, it's got almost like that cat eye to it, like a moonstone type of. Interesting. If anyone can name any of these, I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, can anyone see that, or is it just me? See, can you see that little cat eye thingy there? Not my ring light, but that's cute. I like that. Oh yeah, I like that because I like orangey things. Oh, that's interesting. Some type of red jasper or carnelian. It's quite a big ball. A little bit bigger than my labradorite too. Wow. You'd almost say it was a carnelian, but it's got all these nice, I love the oranges and yellows and browns. So that is cool. So that's what we got so far. And there's still 2 more things to open. So this was a 3 scoop order. Just put them off to the side for now. I don't know if this is worth about $3.30 all up. I'll just wait, open the rest and see. So these are the smaller pieces. Okay, so this is a palm stone. Not sure what that is. Look, almost looks like a peach moonstone type of palm stone. And it's got that same cat eye type shine. So that's cute. Oh, this was the free gift because of the shipping. So that was, oh, it's a little plate. Look, it's a little heart plate, a quartz heart plate. You can put your little beads in there. You know, when I show my little beads, my little crystal beads. Oh, look, and I've got some handy. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. How cute is that? Look at a little bowl. How cute is that? Awesome. Yeah, I remember they said that. It's a gift because I had to pay shipping. It's pretty. Sometimes good things come in small packages. Oh, I like that. That's like a sardonyx. Oh, that carnelian. It's got a bit of carnelian in there. See that? It's got a bit of sort of almost carnelian. Lovely banding. Really pretty. What else have we got? Oh, we got a little rose quartz bowl. Oh, look at it. How cute. So I've got 2 little bowls. I've got a little rose quartz bowl. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And a little rose quartz heart. It's not chipped, but it's a bit funky. Oh, and look, a lapis lazuli heart. And it almost looks kind of faceted, like a faceted type of heart. That is gorgeous. Right. Can you see that? Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Really pretty. Let's put those to the sides, and we've got one more to open. Oh, we've got a thank you card. Thank you, Highland Crystals, for your purchase. We appreciate your support. For more hand-picked high crystals, feel free to... Oh, that's nice. So they're on TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, and their email. So we've got one more to open. So everything comes really well wrapped, doesn't it? Oh my God, my next pay I'm getting another one. I already spent 400 at another place, and then another 200 at another place. I will up about 950. Oh my gosh. It's so addictive. The other ones weren't scoops. They were just like purchases, like where you pick live what you want. But these were scoops. Oh my gosh. Oh, the little mushroom. What kind of mushroom is this? How cute is that? Looks like a rhodonite. Yeah, rhodonite. Could be wrong, but it is so cute. Oh, and this was given as a free gift, rose quartz bracelet. Look, I love my bracelets. I've got so many. Like, I've got of bracelets. Yeah, I've got heaps. And some more over here too. Just a few more. So, yeah, I've got a big one, but not a little one like this. Thank you for my free little rose quartz bracelet. And what else? Oh, green adventuring. Yeah. Yep, tip's fine. There's a green adventuring. What else have we got? I like how they put tips on them all. Oh, I'm not sure what that is. Some like a tree frog type of something, saying tree frog. I don't know why. Close to a agate. I mean moss agate. Sphalerite. Now, I thought I won a sphalerite tower. Now, I could have been wrong, but I'm pretty sure the sphalerite tower I won was bigger and thicker, but I didn't record it. I should have screen recorded my TikTok because it's live. But anyway, I know for next time. So this one is tiny. But it's got little drusies in it, which is cool. I thought I got the big version of this, and I think they've replaced it with the big one instead of that one. But anyway, there's no way I can look back to see now because I never recorded it. I'm an idiot. But anyway, let me show you everything I got. So this is my 3 scoop order. Overall, yes, I'm happy. Is it worth, let's see, times 355, about 56 US, so 150, 65, about 168 US for that, and that's not including the 25 shipping or the tip that I gave them. They're not getting tipped next time, that's for sure. But yeah, I reckon. Got a labradorite. Here's a labradorite. There's some of my other crystal collections there. Oh my God, can you believe I broke my, it's fallen apart, my carnelian. But yeah, this is my orange section. It's gonna look gorgeous in my orange section. Love that, whatever that is. The labradorite's a bit disappointing. Doesn't even look like a labradorite. Can you just let me know, is this labradorite or is this golden obsidian? I don't know, it doesn't look like the labradorite that I got. It's cute. I like that little moonstone. Look, I think it is worth it. The value's all there. I can't say I got ripped off. But what I do notice about people is they say it's not what I ordered in the scoop. But still, you can't complain. You get your money's worth. I mean, if you were to buy these individually online, you get your money back in them thumb. I wish I could weigh all these, but if we're going by weight, it's all there in value. Always the crystal one. Where's the other? The crystal bowl. Oh gosh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, so this is everything I got. All right. 3 scoops from Highland Crystals. So the big 3 pieces, yeah, which is that. I fell down like an idiot. Sorry. So there's that, and there's that, and there's that, and then you get these 3 little ones. And then this little one. What do you think? Do you think it's worth it? And then these hearts. And then that palm stone. Really like that sardonyx there. Whoop. And the mushroom. Yeah, it was a fun little dip. I'll tell you what, I'll probably get another one. They're so bloody addictive. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, probably get another 3 scoop. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 pieces. 3 scoops. Not bad. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.